Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to remove bookmarks on X. Okay, so first of all, of course, open X on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen to access side menu. And in this menu you can see different sections. You want to go to bookmarks section specifically. So here you will see different posts that you have ever saved on X. And so in order to remove bookmarks on X, you have to find specific post that you want to remove from here. And under it, below the post itself, you want to find the bookmark icon, which is blue. And you want to simply tap on it. And at the top, you will see this message that says removed, post removed from your bookmarks. And in addition, it instantly disappears. And that as well indicates that you have successfully removed a bookmark on X. And if you want to remove multiple bookmarks, you want to repeat those steps to every single post. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.